We are from Mission Ministries Philippines. Let me start by sharing a very short testimony. Okay, I came to know the Lord in 1983. Since then, the Lord put one passion in my heart. I would love to become a pastor. Okay, unfortunately, I came to know the Lord in a denomination where ladies are not allowed to preach. So in short, I didn't pursue it. So I landed as the first preschool teacher of our mission, preschool teacher among the poor. But I realized when I started as a preschool teacher, in a way, the Lord granted my heart's desire. You know why? Because I have the privilege to pastor children. Okay? And of course, if you have kids, automatically you have parents with you, right? And there's a saying that goes like this. Save a man, you have a unit. Save a child, you have a multiplication table. Like a typical preschool class in the Philippines would have one teacher with 20 children. And each child would represent at least 5 family members. Of course, in the US, dogs are included, not in our country. So you have mama, papa, brother, baby, and sister. So if you multiply 20 kids times 5, you automatically have captive audience for the Lord through the parents. Okay, and the Lord has been so good. After several years, I became the early childhood program of our ministry. So I also connect with leaders. So in short, the Lord has extended my sphere of influence. I'm pastoring kids, I'm pastoring parents, I'm pastoring leaders. And so I started in this mission since 1983. What keeps me going? Because of this vision. What is our vision? Okay, our vision, we would like to see kids in vulnerable communities would have access to quality early childhood education. In the Philippines, Philippines is the 7th most populated nation in Asia. And in the world, we are the 12 in the 12. And 50% of our population are children among the poor. So in a way, our mission, we have developed we have a social revolution of providing quality early childhood education to indigent children that was once available only for the advantaged. Okay, so that is our vision. So what is our mission? Ding! Okay, we would like to inspire churches, individual, community-based group, or even private groups, government organization, or NGO to set up schools or enhance their existing early childhood program. We cannot do it alone. So we would like to look for partners who would have the same passion that we have. So by the grace of God, we have set up more than 400 schools. How is that? Because in our experience, we simply plant a seed in one church. After that, they would catch the vision. They would extend it to their branches. And some schools would extend their program from preschool. Now they have high school. Now they have also program for special children. Okay, so that's how we do it. So in a way, there's a social movement of preschools in the Philippines. And so after inspiring them, we would ask them to develop a developmentally appropriate preschool. It's a well-known fact that preschool is the first exposure of the child outside the home, right? This is their first taste of school. So therefore, their experience in their first preschool would either facilitate or destroy their future desire to go to school. So we don't want that to happen. So we develop a program where our children would learn through playing, because play is the principal business of children. Okay, so if you visit our school, it's very seldom that you would just see them sitting down. You would always see them playing with a lot of stuff. And through play, they learn a lot. Because there's a saying that a child learns 10% of what he sees, 50% of what he hears, 70% of what he says, and 90% of what he does. Play is the world of children, so we enter that kind of world. So what are our services? Okay, so of course we train teachers. We train teachers who would, the grassroots leaders who would do the actual teaching. Most of our teachers are not graduate of education, so we give them rigid training. We also train leaders. We are connected with some seminary, like we offer transformational urban poor leadership training for bachelor's degree, MA, and PhD degree. So we also have books. We develop curriculum. Our consultants are from the experts from one of the best universities in the Philippines. We also do networking. We don't want to invent wheels anymore. We would always realize that our partners would have other needs other than the early childhood program. So instead of inventing the wheels, we would just link them to other resources. Like we have some partners who would do the medical dental, we would just link them. Somebody who would be needing help, we would just link them. So we do a lot of trainings for parents. In fact, that is my best passion because every time I train parents, I have the grace that I could always integrate the gospel. And most of the parents would really accept Jesus as their Savior and Lord. So if you think you have passion to work with kids, please free to connect with us.